How to fix Instagram highlights loading problem. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix any problem you have with the highlights, especially the loading one. So first thing you have to do is open the settings on your phone. Right here on this page, you will find many options as you can see. Click on the apps manager, go to apps. Now on this page, you will find the apps that you have on your phone. Click on Instagram app, click here on force stop, and then go down to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back. Now last thing you want to do is click on power usage details. On this page you will find the battery usage details. This is a very important step. Enable the power consumption alert and make sure that the app launch is on manage automatically. That's it. Restart your phone, reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.